Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best 4K HD camera on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. AKASO AT-S60TR 4K HD Camera. AKASO AT-S60TR 4K HD camera is ready to go whenever you are. Capture every single moment of your adventure in a different perspective. It is always there with you through thick and thin. AKASO 4K Wi-Fi action camera is easy to mount, making it a perfect action camera for sports. It is fully compatible with GoPro and mounts. The AKASO 4K Wi-Fi action camera can shoot 150-degree wide-angle videos and 12MP high-resolution photos. The 2.0 HD screen allows you to preview and play back your photos and videos. When it comes to shooting underwater photos and videos, this waterproof camera is a real winner. No matter how deep you go, the AKASO 4K can shoot crystal clear underwater photos and videos. It also has a high-speed video mode. The AKASO 4K Wi-Fi action camera has a 0.3-inch CMOS image sensor, which takes clear pictures and videos even in dark places. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect your camera to the smartphone or tablet and get the photos and videos you've taken on your phone. Number 4. Abay 4K HD Camera. Abay 4K HD camera is an action camera designed to capture your most memorable moments and adventures in life. It is capable of shooting up to 4K Ultra videos at 30 FPS and 1080p Full HD videos at 60 FPS. It comes with a 2.0 screen that allows you to preview your photos, videos and playback your music all with one simple touch. Fully immersive, this camera records amazing quality audio and minimizes wind interference. This camera is waterproof to 10 meters and is built to withstand dust, dirt, and sand. It is designed to record the whole scene, even in the toughest situations. For convenience, the camera supports up to a 64GB microSD card. Number 3. Mosizave BW1160A 4K HD Camera. Mosizave BW1160A 4K HD Camera 4K Ultra HD Mini Action Camera is a sports camera and camcorder in one. It can capture 4K 30 FPS video as well as still photos in 12MP 30 FPS. It is a perfect compact video camera for your family, travel and vacation, car DVR, diving, climbing, skiing and other outdoor sports, etc. It features a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, 4K 30 FPS video resolution photos in 12MP 30 FPS, waterproof up to 30 meters and a 2.0 screen display. Its high-definition 4K video resolution and 12MP photos will capture every moment with stable clear images and videos. It is easy to use, just turn on and start recording. It has a 2.0-inch LCD touchscreen, easy-to-use and intuitive interface, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, time-lapse mode and a high-quality image sensor that delivers stunning 4K video and 12-megapixel pictures. The camera is also waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it snorkeling, skiing, kayaking or snowboarding and capture every thrilling moment. Number 2. Quick Win 4K HD Camera. Quick Win 4K HD camera is a beautiful little action camera that's perfect for capturing your adventures. Quick Win 4K HD camera's built-in screen lets you see what you're recording right away, which is super helpful for fine-tuning your shot. Quick Win 4K HD camera is great for recording outdoor adventures like biking, surfing, skiing, etc. The action camera is fully waterproof, which is perfect for rainy days and water sports like surfing, kayaking, swimming, snorkeling, etc. The camera has a remote control screen, which means you can use your phone to control the camera, just like a toy drone. Quick Win 4K HD camera is a perfect gift for your friends and family who love shooting videos and sharing them online. This is the world's first remote-controlled 4K waterproof sports camera. Equipped with an advanced Sony IMX377 image sensor and an Ambarella A9SE75 chip, it delivers 4K video at 30 FPS and 30 pictures per second. Combined with a remote control and a waterproof case, it can become a real action camera that you can control from your Android phone and capture every memory. Number 1. SJCAM SJ4000 4K HD Camera. The The SJ4000 is the latest in the SJ4000 series of cameras. The new and upgraded SJ4000 Plus improves the video quality to 4K and adds a 2.0 waterproof LCD screen. The SJ4000 series is the most popular of the SJCAM series due to its high-quality video, and it's still at a moderate price point. The SJ4000 Plus has everything a user would expect from a camera in this price range. It's capable of recording video at a 4K resolution and has a high speed of 30 FPS slow motion. It is also capable of time-lapse photos and captures high-definition photos at a 12-megapixel resolution. It can do all this while also being waterproof up to 30 meters. The SJ4000 series has been very popular with the GoPro users who are looking for a more affordable camera option. The SJ4000 Plus is their first effort to capture their share of that market. The SJCAM SJ4000 4K action camera is the perfect tool for your extreme sports adventures, as well as a must-have to capture the best moments of your life. The camera features a powerful 16MP Sony image sensor, which is the same sensor used in professional DSLRs, so you can be sure you'll get higher resolution and crystal clear image quality. The camera features a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, so you can capture every detail of your shot. The lens also has a built-in filter which can help you to achieve high-quality underwater photos and videos, as well as a built-in gyroscope for smooth video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.